Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Alex, and today we're talking about how the darkness has not overcome the light. I'm a big fan of action movies. Any movie that intrigues me where the good guys fight the bad guys. I love the part in the big fight scene at the end where the guy that you want to win, usually the good guys, they're about to lose. It makes you think, oh my gosh, this movie is insane. What's going to happen? When suddenly the good guy does something amazing and comes back to end up winning the battle. I think we all love these types of stories. Maybe as children, we read stories of battles and wondering who would win and who would pull out the victory in the end. It's why we love competition or amazing Super Bowl victories. There's something about one thing versus another thing and wondering who's going to win. The Bible talks about a constant battle that's going on within all of humanity and all the world. It's the ultimate battle between darkness and lightness. Dark and light are two contrary things. One is completely void of anything, where you can't see and you're overcome by darkness. And the other is where you can see and completely overcome by light. Both of these sorts of things exist in the world. And I think you've probably experienced both dark things and light things in your life. A dark thing maybe being a loss of a friend or a family member through a tragic accident. And a light thing being maybe somebody who was kind to and offered some help to you in something that you didn't really ask for it. The ultimate question is, which one will win the day once and for all? Which one will win in my life, in my day, in my spiritual life, in my experiences? Will darkness win, full of shame and heaviness? Or in my life, in my experience, will it all end in light, full of life and kindness? They're good questions. And the Bible speaks to it by saying this very thing that's pretty profound in John 1:5. It says, "The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness cannot overcome it." Darkness cannot overcome light. That the ultimate battle between darkness and lightness ends with light always winning. The thing about light and dark is that light cannot exist without darkness, and darkness cannot exist without light. We need, potentially, darkness in our lives to show us that light truly is light. And every time the light shines, it will win every time. That no matter what situation or circumstance you are in, whatever darkness you feel in your life, whatever battle you feel like is raging, and sometimes it feels like the light is losing, we can take heart because light will always overcome darkness. And so what is the ultimate light? Well, the answer is Jesus, who shines very bright in and through his death and burial and resurrection, that has proven to us that his light truly is light. And it shines very bright. And because of this lightness, we can somehow walk through the dark because, friends, the darkness has not overcome the light. For it is the light that has surely overcome the darkness.